Can apple cider vinegar help me lose weight? Stop wasting time searching the internet for articles about apple cider vinegar. Today, we will teach you the benefits and everything you need to know about this superfood to lose those extra pounds and feel glowing. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's discover it. First, we need to know where vinegar comes from. It is obtained from the fermentation of apple juice, which produces nutrients such as vitamins B and C, as well as acetic acid, a substance used in the food industry and even in pharmacology. If the fermentation is done correctly and it is not pasteurized like all fermented foods, it can produce a certain amount of microorganisms, which are beneficial bacteria for our organism. Therefore, we can say that apple cider vinegar is very good to add to our diet. It is usually popularly used in salad dressings and cooking dishes where its flavor can stand out. It lowers blood sugar levels and is very useful for blood control. The most successful use of vinegar has been in patients with type 2 diabetes. This type of diabetes is characterized by very high blood sugar levels, either because of insulin resistance or the ability to produce insulin. So people should benefit from this vinegar to keep their blood sugar levels in a normal range. It also helps with heartburn, if you have gastroesophageal reflux, which we notice after eating. It has been proven that taking this vinegar moderates this acidity, especially at the entrance of the stomach where reflux has occurred. Now, the most expected. Can you really lose fat with apple cider vinegar? It is widely used for weight loss. Although it is often questioned, it is actually very effective because it suppresses the centers that control appetite in the brain and increases the enzyme AMPK, responsible for regulating energy metabolism, which accelerates the fat-burning process. A study has been conducted in which tests were conducted on humans, and it was proven that the consumption of apple cider vinegar has powerful effects on weight and body fat. The research lasted 12 weeks and involved 144 obese adults who were divided into 3 groups. One group consumed 1 tablespoon of 15 milliliters of vinegar per day, and the other 2 groups consumed 2 tablespoons of 30 milliliters of vinegar per day. All participants were asked to abstain from alcohol and eat as usual. After 3 months, those who took 1 tablespoon a day lost 1.2 kilos, reduced their body fat by 0.7%, their waist by 1.4 centimeters, and their triglycerides by 26%. Those who took 2 tablespoons a day lost 1.7 kilos, 0.9% of fat, almost 2 centimeters of waist, and 26% of triglycerides. Thus, this study, collected by Health, suggests that adding these spoons to the diet can help us lose weight, reduce the percentage of body fat, make us lose abdominal fat, and lower blood triglycerides. Would you try this method to lose weight? Taking into account that it is important to know that it is not possible to ingest these glasses of vinegar directly, this way of using them can cause alterations in the mouth due to their high acidity, since our saliva has a basic pH and is not acidic. If we alter it with this acetic acid, it can hinder the digestion of the starches contained in food, which would result in the inability to obtain the desired effect. Although this study was quite extensive, further research or consultation with a nutritionist is required before consumption. Thank you for staying until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and activate the little bell to receive notifications of new videos. We are waiting for you.